Hey, Chris Matthew here with another Skynet update. I added PubSub capabilities to the platform, and what this allows you to do is basically subscribe or unsubscribe to API requests and responses and just overall messaging around a particular device, UUID. It's really simple to do. Behind the scenes, basically what happens is when the device joins Skynet, it basically joins as a WebSocket room, so that every request response that comes in or out of the device is actually going through the room instead of the device itself. So even the device is listening to the room, and that allows other devices or like this monitor app that I'm going to show you here in a second to just basically attach to Skynet with WebSockets and subscribe to a device, and you can unsubscribe, and then that way you can catch events like API events, like message and so forth. So here's my code. So I'm going to attach to localhost, but you could just as easily attach to skynet.jit.su. And this is how you'd subscribe. You just emit subscribe to the device UUID. You do the same way if you wanted to unsubscribe to it. Identify is basically when Skynet asks you to identify yourself. You don't currently have to provide a token to subscribe to a device channel. However, that's something I'm contemplating. And then you can, on every message event or any API event in particular, all I'm doing here is I'm outputting the JSON message to the screen. So let me show you the screen. So this is basically, I've got a Skynet monitor monitoring this particular device, UUID. And from here, I'm going to show you my command line. So on the left side is Skynet itself. You can see the heartbeat on all the devices attached. I have this script here called npm test that kind of walks through all of the APIs of the node, the npm module called Skynet. So check it out. So I'm going to run that here, and there. So we basically, everything that we see or saw in the command line, all the requests and responses on the API echoed basically to the monitor. So this is all just room activity on the particular device. So that's what I wanted to show you. It's pretty cool and coming along. I think you could use this for like triggers, like when a particular event is seen or an API request is made. You could have another device react basically and do different things, by monitoring activity from another device. So it's evolving. Just wanted to show that off.